Hi there, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be discussing e-commerce, just a simple example of getting online. Last week uh, had, uh, we had a e-commerce business igniter video series, a 5-part series at Sierra Commons, and that was just with the goal of helping 50 businesses get online by the end of the month. And it was a great turnout, and I think some people got some good help and got some good answers to their questions. We had some great lessons by some great presenters on marketing, copywriting, website setup, business toolkit. Basically everything on this list, and you can find this at sierracommons.org/resources. And so the main reason that I wanted to follow up with this Tech Tip Tuesday was because I presented at the session 2, which was about selecting a platform essentially. And so I've done a video in the past about just adding buy buttons to a website, and I wanted to give another example of something that is relatively low cost. If you already have an existing website, you aren't sure if you want a new website, you aren't sure if you want to commit to keeping that up, or looking for a new platform, aren't really sure where to start, but you feel like you need to get online, or you have a few products that you're looking to sell. And so that would be Shopify Lite. And so I'll go through a demo of just setting that up, but it's $9.99 per month. You can accept credit cards via with your iOS or Android device. Create invoices, everything that's included in Shopify, and so it's just a good way to kind of start selling easily if you already have an existing website. So I've already just set up a demo account, and so this is kind of what the dashboard looks like. You can dismiss all this stuff if you want, but they've got a whole suite of tools that you can use to help with marketing, discounts, connecting with different applications, analytics of your site, keeping track of and communicating with customers, and then products, and a list of the orders as well. So within products, I've already created a few products, and so I'll just go through one of the examples just to kind of demonstrate what that looks like. So it's probably a good idea to put in a better title and description for your specific product, and probably some real images of your product, your product type, and not a bad idea to connect it with whatever sales solutions you have available to you. So I've added in some variants, light grain, heavy grain, gluten-free, and you can add in different images for these variants as well, and quantities and SKU numbers and whatnot. And so that's the basic product, and basic descriptor. Yeah, just a basic overview of the product. And so what we'll do now is embed on a website, or create a checkout link. So we can do either of these. What I'm going to do is just create a buy button, and that essentially allows us to run a simple shop on our website. So instead of just doing one product, we'll go with a collection, and use all of those products that we just created. All right, so we've got some variants for the gift cards, variants for large, small, variants for the grains as well, and the prices are updating with those. So you can do things like update the button, super rounded corners, you can do that. Background color, whatnot, layout. I'm going to leave most of these defaults as they are, and you can play around with this a little bit and see what fits your store's theme or vibe. So we'll just go ahead and leave all this as is, purchase, subtotal, whatnot, and move into the next area. So this is where we get to copy the code and add it to our website. So I just have a local instance, basically just a WordPress website that is running on my computer. So I've already done a little bit of a setup for this, as in just I added a shop page template, and put that in here. Let me double check this. Okay, yeah, so I set this up for the class. And so this is kind of what it'll look like at the end, but I'll go ahead and create a new page for shop. And so if we go over, to their instructions, I've already clicked on those. Just do it again. So adding an embed code to the WordPress blog, create a buy button, go to your post, create a new post, custom HTML. All right, so we'll go ahead and look for that. There it is, and we will paste that in there. So basically, we just have this section on the website, and it is being populated by all this data, and also gives it some functionality too. So you can see, we're setting things like background color, and when you hover over it, what color that is. So yeah, now that we've got that pasted in there, we'll go ahead and publish this shop page and take a look. So I don't have a theme set up on this install, but you can see that this is essentially the header up here, and this is all of the default. Well, I do have a theme set up. It's a Bootstrap theme, but this is basically everything that goes underneath the content before you kind of add some layout to it. But so now that we have this on our website, we can add multiple products. We can go ahead and click purchase, and then it pops up with this checkout. And so what will be within that checkout field will be whatever payment information you are taking, depending upon what you select within the settings. But I will not go ahead and process because it requires you to select a plan, and I'm not selling sourdough, so maybe sometime in the future, but not soon. So yeah, so that's just a basic overview of how to set up a simple Shopify Lite website on your existing, or simple Shopify Lite store on your existing website. It's just a quick, easy, kind of cheap solution for somebody who is will be selling more than $10 a month, and it makes it economically viable to use a solution like this. And so yeah, that's a great solution for a lot of people. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for a future Tech Tip Tuesday video, love to see some comments in the comment section below. Thanks again.